Hi folks, Kenny the Vaping Heed, and today we are looking at a juice, so stick around. Hi folks, Kenny the Vaping Heed back again. As you may already know, today we are looking at a juice by Bestcigliquid. Before that, please, if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, and support the channel. Buy me a coffee, the link is in the description below. So all that out of the way, it's now time to have a look at this. Bit of background on this, it's by Bestcigliquid. It is the lemon Jizz, which is a 70-30 PG, 3 milligram. Big shot on there, if you can see that there, alright. And that's what we have. As you can see, I have been at it. I come about this because I was watching Mixing with Benny, which is on every Wednesday, by the way, at 9 PM. Great set of guys, check them out. Obviously, one of the co-hosts is Graham, who is aka Net Reality. He's the guy who kind of liaisons between the show and Bestcigliquid, because I believe they are a sponsor of the show. But anyway, basically in one of the little draws, I won this. You know, and they'd asked us if I would give it a quick once over, so I thought, why not? So what I've got it on the Asgard Mini, sitting on the top side dual. I've got two aliens in here coming out at 0.13 and I'm on 75 watts. Now what we're looking for here in the flavour profile, if you bear with me, is sweet lemon drizzle icing on top of a light fluffy sponge filled with cream. That's the flavour profile. Let's give it a bit of a toot there. Let's have a go. Get a bit of a scone there just to get it. Lots of juicy flavour into it. Excuse me, I'm a little bit chesty today as well. Fucking change of the weather shit, you know what I mean? There you go. Well, obviously the first thing that hits you is that lemon. Excuse me. That lemon. It's not the normal lemon, that bitter, harsh lemon. It's a nice, sweet, candious type lemon. It is like the lemon drizzle, basically. It's pretty much the same what is on the tin. You get that first, then on the exhale, you're getting that sponge, and then it's like a nice, light, fluffy lemon drizzle sponge cake. And it's bloody good. You definitely get the lemon, definitely get the sponge, the cream. I'm not picking up a great amount of cream. Obviously it's seen a sponge filled with cream, so whether that's just a description or there is actual cream in it, I'm not sure. I'm not getting a lot of cream, or if I am, it's probably taking the sharpness off the lemon. But it's basically what it says on the tin, guys. It's a lemon drizzle cake. And it's right up my alley, that. It's absolutely bloody gorgeous. No, I like that. So, there you have it, guys. That is the lemon Jizz from Bestcigliquid. Now, I can't leave any descriptions or links, so all I can say is get yourselves over there, have a look about. We've got loads of stuff on there. Also again, Benny and the guys on Wednesday every 9 PM. If you're into mixing your juices, that's the channel to go to. If you even want to, sorry, I was looking down at some of there, didn't know what that was. If you want to know anything about juices, these are the guys to go to. They'll do a cracking show. I've been going quite a while now, so check them out every Wednesday. So I'll kind of wrap this one up. Just again, thank you to Benny and the guys, thank you to Graham, and of course thank you to Bestcigliquid for getting this out to us. Cracking juice, definitely recommend it if you're into your lemons. So like I said before, guys, if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave your comments. Again, if you want to support us, click the buy me a coffee in the link, much appreciated. So I'll wrap this one up, guys. I've been Kenny the Vaping Heat. Stay safe, vape safe. I'll see you all very soon in the next one. Cheers now. Bye.